What's going on, everybody? This is Doug with Titan Training Company. I just thought I would make a quick video of sighting in the less lethal 870 shotgun. Going to a class this next week, so I'm just confirming the zero on it and make sure it's dialed in, ready to go. Guys, have a good one. Talk to you soon. Shoot a little bit low. Low. I brought it up. It shot right just a little bit, but I think that was me. Yep. All right, I'll just put a couple more, one more through it just to make sure. And she'll be dialed in. Pretty good. This is at 15 yards, by the way. So, drew that red circle just as a point of reference. And yeah, I'm happy with it. Guys, take care. See you next time.